guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie and you're watching Forever Girl with Annie. Let's get begin. Hello everyone, today we are going to use 3D transform in Adobe XD and going to create 3 examples. So in this video we are going to create flip card. So for that, make the first image Z index to 1 and for the back image make the Z index to -1 and the rotation would be -80 degree. For the second group, make the same as for the first group. For the front, Z index 1 and for the back, Z index to -1 and the rotation would be -80 degree, -180 degree. So we will copy this artboard and make the front to -1 and -80 rotation and back to 1 and make the rotation to 0. For the second image we will make this image little bit rotated using the 3D transform. For the second flip card, we will copying the first artboard once again and remain the group 1 as it is, and for the group 2 we will make the front Z index to -1 and rotation would be 180 degree, and for the back it would be 1 and the rotation would be 0. And for as this first group we will make this image little bit rotated using the 3D transform, which is a great feature added in this Adobe XD. So we will make this the prototype. We will make it easing with snap, and for the back in it would be ease in out, and for the second group we will perform that as similar, make it snap, and for the backward it would be ease in out effect. So now we will preview this by playing the button. As you see, it is making the flip when we click on the card. So it's just an awesome feature which is added in this Adobe XD on the October update. So in the next video we will be creating the phone mockup. So let's get in. As you now watch the full video, if you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are a new user watching my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button, because in future I will upload more content like this on my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. It will notify you when I upload a new video. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel to get knowledge.